I was fortunate. I had a few neighbors who, one was an orthopedic surgeon when I was very little, that's where I grew up, and then the other was a general surgeon. Back then, which I don't think is legal now, but they could take it into the OR at a very young age. I would follow them. I'd witness all kinds of different procedures that they would do. I would round with them. So I knew pretty early on I wanted to do some form of medicine. My name is Jeff Biever. I'm one of the podiatrists at Southland Orthopedics. I am board certified in both foot and ankle and rear foot. Podiatry covers a broad spectrum of all foot and ankle. It can range from anything from bunions, hammer toes, plantar fasciitis, to fracture management, sports injuries, ankle injuries. So it's pretty broad. So when a patient comes to see me, they're going to expect, I would say, the right way of treating an individual, the honest way of treating an individual, not a way that is going to lead them down a bad stream. I try to do my best to lay everything out. And the hard thing with foot and ankle is that it's a patience tester. It's not a quick fix. So I try to do my best when I first meet an individual, especially if it becomes a surgical issue, that, hey, this is going to take 3 months, could take 6 months, might even be a full calendar year. When they know that, that helps a ton. And then when they achieve that, you know, when we both can kind of look at each other and says, you're doing great, future's bright, go ahead, take off with it, then I feel good about where we both kind of got to that point.